So it is freezing out here and I want to go for a run, and I haven't made any running videos in a super long time. In fact, since I was doing the vlog stuff like 2 years ago. Super early out this morning, and I've got about 6 miles that I want to run. Let's get going. I can't be the only one that loves running by fields with giant hay bales in it. I feel like I'm on like a Windows 95 screensaver. Or if my route was going to take me through part of the official running route for the half marathon, 10K, 5K that's going on in my city today. But apparently I'm on that because there was an aid station back there. Some of you might ask, why didn't you enter? Well, with the BT Epic and everything being last week, I had no idea where I was going to be fitness-wise, strength-wise, if I was going to even be able to run a 5K. If I would have known, I would have probably went ahead and entered it. Just because I've always wanted to do a half marathon in my local town. And as you can see, that's where the race is going to be.
Brothers, can you hear me?
Oh, looks like they're getting ready to start. All right, so I am a little over 2 miles in. I'm thinking about if you guys enjoy these, or if a small group of my subscribers enjoy these, maybe I'll post them on Sundays as an extra video. Let me know what you guys think. Does this motivate you? It's kind of the big thing for me, is finding videos that are motivating, like seeing like BKXE, Hunt Style, all those type of mountain bikers out there just biking. Super motivating. If you are a runner, or if you're not a runner, let me know in the comments below, what's your longest race? Have you done a 5K? Have you done 10K, half marathon, marathon? I'm trying to get back into it as I focused a lot on biking. It'll be good to kind of do something to get myself motivated, and hopefully this will help. So let me know what you guys think. Almost to the halfway point. It's walnut season. All right, at the halfway point, gonna help my dad. Probably take about 10 minutes and then get back on it. About 15 minutes at my parents', help them out, and I'm back at it. So I got about another 30 minutes before I get back home. About 3 miles. So I'm doing around a 9:30 to 10-minute pace. Just trying to get my legs back into it. We are coming back to where the half marathon, 10K, 5K route comes through. So we'll see if we see some people. Maybe we can cheer them on. There's an aid station. So if you're running this race, there's an aid station. Look at all these cars. All these people gonna cheer people on. How awesome. Because I just saw a 12 on the ground, and I'm assuming that's a mile marker. But there are signs the direction I'm going. So I don't know, I'll have to go back and look at the route fully. It probably comes up this road and goes down this road to finish. So but there are a ton of geese out there. Look at them. They're probably tiny on this camera. But there's probably 30 of those suckers just chilling out, eating the leftover corn. Okay, finished. Just a little over 10K. Turns out for that race, there's an aid station right there, around mile 10, I guess. So when they come back from that section, they're gonna need it. That comes back from a really hilly section. So from there, it's pretty much downhill the rest of the way in. So if you watch this whole thing all the way through, comment below and comment with "Run Mike Run." Hopefully it motivates me, and then even better, hopefully it motivates you to get out and run or bike, whatever works for you. I'm always looking for something to keep me motivated, and if this does it for me, hopefully it does it for you. As always, get out there, run, bike, build, and just have fun. We'll see you in the next one.